Hi, I'm Lauren Shepherd. I'm the Program Manager for Corporate and Community Giving at Guide Dogs WA, and this is my colleague, Ambassador Dog Rocky. We're here today to talk about International Guide Dog Day. On International Guide Dog Day, we recognise the work of guide dogs all around the world and the wonderful job they do of providing freedom, independence, safety and of course companionship to people who are blind or have low vision. Our International Guide Dog Day street appeal kicks off with a corporate challenge that runs from 7 to 9 a.m, where our corporate teams battle it out for the glory of top fundraising team. Our Orange Army of volunteers then continue to collect right throughout the day to raise much needed funds and awareness for our guide dog training program in Western Australia. To volunteer your time or to register a corporate team, visit guidedogswa.com.au.